Hello guys, welcome back. Today I've got the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how to easily install and set up the application for this speaker. First open the Play Store on your Android device and tap Search. Type JBL Portable App here. Tap this application, you should see around 300,000 reviews and 10 million downloads. Hit install and wait. These values I showed are the minimum you should see to distinguish this app. Hit open. Wait for the intro, then hit Get Started. Tap Accept and allow to find devices nearby. Now turn on your speaker. Go to Bluetooth settings and make sure your speaker is paired. Open the app again and you'll see your speaker settings. That's how it works. Goodbye.